everyone, today I'm going to take you through the Babybee Miles travel stroller. The Miles is the perfect ultra compact stroller for travel, whether you're at home or abroad. It's lightweight and super easy to use, so would also make a great addition to your family as a second stroller or be ideal for grandparents. So what makes the Miles so special? Ultimately, it's been designed to make your life as simple and easy as possible. Weighing less than 7 kilos, it's ultra lightweight and super compact. It has an industry-leading 1 hand, 1 step, 1 second fold. The carry bar or carry strap options make it easy to lift and transport no matter what else you're carrying. And we've used only the highest grade premium fabrics and materials, including a certified organic cotton liner. All of our prams are designed using feedback from our existing customers and local families to ensure they include the key features that will actually make your life easier. Unlike many travel strollers, the seat can recline close to 180 degrees flat, so it's designed to use from newborn right up to a huge 22 kilos. And we've made sure the backrest is also nice and tall for those taller kids. It's a simple, infinite recline system, so you can easily adjust it to any recline position for your little one's comfort. The adjustable footrest also gives little legs some extra support, especially when in the reclined position. The extendable canopy offers great UV protection, whether the seat is upright or reclined, and extends beyond the belly bar just past the end of the seat base. Not all travel strollers include a belly bar, however, a belly bar will add an additional level of safety to your stroller. It's great for younger children who love to have something to hold on to and pull themselves forward, and it also doubles as a toy bar, so you're not forever losing or picking up dropped toys. And whilst we're talking safety, the Miles has an easy to use 5-point safety harness, as well as this innovative adjustment system that takes seconds, not minutes, to adjust for different sized kids. It's also tested to both the mandatory and most recent 2022 voluntary Australian standards, as well as additional toxicity testing that we do with all of our products. For a travel stroller, the Miles has a great size basket, which is really important when you'll be out and about for the whole day. It's accessible from both the front and back, and you'll easily be able to pass a large nappy bag or big bag of shopping through the back here, which is often a challenge with travel strollers. The frame is made from a lightweight aluminium and is backed by a 3-year warranty, so you know it's designed to go the distance. And just because it's a travel stroller doesn't mean it shouldn't look beautiful and feel premium. The Miles is made from a high quality, durable melange fabric with high grade vegan leather handles and a luxurious certified organic cotton reversible liner that will feel extra soft against Bub's skin and free from any toxic nasties. If you're worried about the cream colour with older kids, simply turn it over to the black side. It's also removable for washing. But the best part about the Miles is how quick and effortless it is to fold. All it takes is 1 hand, 1 step and 1 second, so you can get where you're going fast. You have 2 options to carry, and it's super lightweight at under 7 kilos, so whether you're carrying it through an airport or just lifting it into the car, you'll have no issues. The carry bar here makes it easy to just pick up and go, or if you need a hands-free option, just pop the adjustable carry strap over your shoulder and be on your way. The compact freestanding fold also makes for super easy storage and makes manoeuvring around airports or public transport much easier. The Miles comes with everything you need included in the box, including $150 worth of free accessories. With every stroller you'll get the carry strap, the reversible organic cotton seat liner, belly bar and harness covers. So whether you're at home or overseas, Miles makes adventures on the go a breeze. It really is the ultimate travel companion. If you have any questions about the Miles or any of our products, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service team via email or live chat on our website. Our Melbourne-based team of parents are always happy to assist, either with their expert advice or experience using the products themselves. Thanks for watching and bon voyage!